Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change time zone in Dynatrace. So let's get straight into it. Now first we will change basically the time you see on all screens, charts and logs. So yeah, click on the user icon, so the person icon in the bottom left, or if you have it in top right corner. And now you will select account settings. Right over here you will see gear icon like that, and now we will see here time zones. So here is now basically uh, active, or how I would say it's automatic. But if I take it off, we will see time zone here now. So UTC, coordinated universal time. And what I can do now, basically I can change it to whichever time zone I want. So I can pick my location or different one if I have colleagues from different part of the world which I'm co-working with. So yeah, this is basically how we can change time zone by our own. So yeah, after you change, after you select, so let's say I will take this one. What I can do now is just simply save and close, and it will change basically the whole time zone to what I set here as the priority. So yeah, if I don't want that, I just take it like that, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.